Welcome to the Hazus Hurricane Hazard Import Tool, or HIT, video tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to import and generate wind data from the National Hurricane Program's Decision Support Tool, Hurrevac, for use in Hazus analyses. The Hurricane Hazard Import Tool, or HIT, downloads, prepares, and imports Hurrevac hurricane data into a user's local Hazus database for hurricane loss modeling. Hurrevac is an authoritative decision support tool available from the National Hurricane Program, which is jointly administered by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Both historic and real-time storm data are available from Hurrevac and can be analyzed using Hazus. However, HIT is needed to pre-process the data and import it to Hazus. When using Hazus for an active hurricane response, it is a best practice to import and process Hurrevac advisories as they become available to ensure the most recent and accurate forecast data available is being used in Hazus. Before using HIT, it is recommended that you visit the Hurrevac website via the link in the description and familiarize yourself with the application and types of data available. Hurrevac's storm data include the location, direction, and speed of tropical storm winds for previous, current, and forecasted storm information produced by NOAA's National Hurricane Center advisories. To view the available data, click on Launch Hurrevac Application. Note that if you do not already have an account, you will need to create one to use the application. While viewing the types of storm data available for download, note that each storm is assigned a unique ID. This can save time when using HIT. If the unique ID is known, you can enter it directly into HIT without having to use Hurrevac filters to locate your storm. Hurrevac Web can be used to 1. Monitor the release and availability of the latest advisory every 6 hours. 2. Visualize the track and look for shifts to ensure the Hazus study region provides sufficient coverage. 3. View and access current year, archived, and exercise storms available. And 4. Create storm simulations. Now that you know what Hurrevac data you want to use, you will need to download HIT from FEMA's MSC Hazus page via the link in the video description. There, you will find the most up-to-date list of prerequisites and directions to download and install HIT. To launch HIT, navigate to the location on your local machine where the tool download was saved. Locate the file called Hurricane Hazard Import Tool.py and double-click to launch it. The tool will automatically check for updates. If a pop-up appears, follow the prompts to complete the update before proceeding. Once the tool is up to date, a dialog box will appear prompting you to select a storm for download and analysis. Using the menu options in the HIT dialog box, select the storm you want to analyze in Hazus. This can be done using the filtering menus and checkboxes to select between active, historical, exercise, or simulated storms and filter by basin and by year. You can also enter the unique Hurrevac ID number if it is known. Once the storm is selected, click Load to Hazus. A pop-up window will confirm when your scenario is available in Hazus. Click OK to close the pop-up window and then Quit to exit the tool. Note, you can load multiple storms from Hurrevac, but HIT will need to be reloaded for new storms and advisory to populate, so make sure to relaunch the HIT tool to ensure access to the most recent advisories. If you need to create a study region for the storm you want to analyze, you will need to do that when launching Hazus. If the study region is already created, open it and launch the Scenario Wizard. The Scenario Operations window will show a list of available options for analyzing a storm scenario. You should see all of the storms you imported using HIT listed under Hurricane Scenarios. Select the storm you want to work with and click Edit. Hazus will display the storm track data for your selected Hurrevac storm. You will need to complete the validation steps in the Scenario Wizard. If you want to make the scenario active, click Yes in the prompt after validation. If you do not wish to make the scenario active, you can return to the Scenario Wizard at any time, highlight the storm, and click the radio button for Activate. Note that you must complete the validation before activating a storm. Once the desired scenario is active, confirm that the storm name matches the scenario you added by going to Hazard, Show Current Scenario. You are now ready to run your hurricane hazard analysis. Congratulations! In this video, you learned how to use HIT to import Hurrevac data into a Hazus study region. Look for more Hazus videos on the FEMA YouTube channel.